If you've ever looked at dashcam footage after a close call and thought, cool, but I still can't read the plate, well, this is for you. This is the DDPAI Z90 Master, and the headline for this is wild. It's got a 4K front, a 4K rear, and a 3K cabin camera all in one system. Let's take a look. So most front and rear setups give you a strong front camera and then a rear camera that's a step down. Well, the Z90 Master's big swing is matching the rear to the front with 4K on both. And then they add 3K cabin coverage for inside the vehicle, because why not? Oh, and here's the underrated part. It gets better. The cabin camera has a 148-degree field of view, so it can see through side windows, covering angles the front and rear cameras can't. All right, so we're going to get into the technical details, don't get me wrong here, but I want to state up front here that the front and rear cameras use Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors. These are seriously good sensors, and they've got HDR or high dynamic range across all three channels. Now, in terms of storage, DDPAI leans hard into their D²save dual storage concept. You can record to both micro SD plus their built-in eMMC flash storage as a backup.
Today's video is sponsored by Sintra AI. Running a business is exciting until you realize you're also a marketer, copywriter, analyst, customer support, sales rep, and somehow the CEO too. At some point, you need backup, but hiring costs a fortune, is painfully slow, and doesn't always scale with how fast you're moving. So what if you could plug in digital teammates that are already trained for specific roles? That's where Sintra AI comes in. Think a copywriter, social media manager, email marketer, data analyst, sales support, and much, much more. Each one designed to support a different part of running your business. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm constantly writing emails, scripts, marketing angles, descriptions. It never stops. So I simply called upon Pen and gave it context about what I'm working on. Immediately, I get structured drafts and angles. Now, of course, a few refinements, adjust the tone, tighten the wording, make it mine, but I just skipped the hardest part, starting from nothing. Massive time saver. Next up, I'm calling upon Soshi. I gave Soshi context about my content and asked for ideas across different platforms. It came back with variations, formats, and directions to explore. Again, I polish as needed, but ideation and structure handled. What I really love about Sintra is that everything happens inside one platform. Now, I only showed Pen and Soshi, but there are 12 AI teammates in total covering most areas of running a business. And the best part, they're available whenever you need them, 24/7, can work in 100+ languages, and the more context you give them about your brand, the more tailored the outputs become. So if you're the type that's juggling too many responsibilities and want backup, you gotta give Sintra a go. I'll go ahead and leave a discount in the description and pinned comment below. For myself, it really comes down to momentum. Sintra allows me to stay focused on the most important parts of my business. And a big thank you to Sintra AI for sponsoring today's video.
All right, so for daily use, I care mainly about two things. Can I grab a clip fast? And can I do it without fighting the app? Well, good news, you can. The Z90 Master has 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster transfers and a simple voice command. Just say, take photo, and it will result in an immediate snapshot. And it has AI filters built in, so it'll get the correct skin tones while you're at it. Also, quick note here, if you drive rideshare, maybe you drive an Uber or something like that, and you record inside the cabin, double check your local privacy laws when it comes to things like passenger disclosure. Now, if you want, I'll also give you a tight checklist of must-run tests for your sample footage so your review shows real proof, day plates, night glare, cabin IR, and even parking triggers. All right, on DDPAI's story, the Z90 Master is sold in multiple kits, 2-channel, 3-channel, and even a 4G variant. So make sure you take a look around and get the one you want. Also, it comes with a CPL filter. Everyone has this, and it's included with all the packages. It has built-in GPS and ADAS 2.0 alerts. Here's an example. Forward vehicle start, or if you're tired, it sends you a driver fatigue alert. So if you want maximum documentation and evidence coverage, go with the 3-channel system. If you care about parking protection while away, budget for hardwire, and 4G only if you actually use remote viewing alerts. So the bottom line is the Z90 Master is one of the most aggressive capture everything setups out there right now. You get a 4K front and a 4K rear plus a 3K IR cabin cam or infrared cam, and you also get dual storage. All right, so let's start off with the cabin cam. Now keep in mind that the cabin cam doesn't come with all packages. I have the big package because of course I do. And yeah, it's got all the bells and whistles, but the cabin cam, for those of you that are interested, is a 3K camera, and it includes IR plus AI portrait optimization. So yes, you can take pictures, still shots while you're driving. Just talk to it, it'll do it. And get this, it's built to still capture faces even when the cabin is dark. All right, another thing to keep in mind is there are multiple kits. Now in this one, we're using the Z90 Master, but there are 2-channel with and without hardwire kits, 3-channel with, without, and even 4G variants. So make sure you pick the right kit when you're looking online. Also keep in mind that they all come with CPL filter, and this helps reduce glare from non-metallic substances. So there it is, guys. That is the Z90 Master in a nutshell. Keep in mind to click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.